Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming two essentials: a compatible sniper rifle and access to weapon customization. Go straight to ammunition or your weapon workshop. Once there, select the sniper you own. Make sure you have enough money for attachments because the night vision/thermal option is a paid mod. You do this now, don't wander. Open the weapon menu, pick mods, then scopes. Once you see the night vision or thermal scope listed, proceed to buy and install it on the spot. Once bought, install the scope immediately. Select scopes under the rifle's mod menu and apply the night vision or thermal scope. Make sure the scope is compatible. Some rifles show the option only after certain upgrades. After installation, confirm the fit and reticle, then save changes. Move the weapon back into active inventory or store it so the game keeps the mod. Make sure to exit the shop properly. If you leave without confirming, the attachment may not stick. So double-check the finish by testing the scope in a low-light area. Aim down sights to activate night vision or thermal mode and adjust sensitivity if needed. If you don't see the effect, make sure you equipped the correct scope variant and that your rifle supports it. Some servers or versions restrict certain attachments. If problems persist, reload the session, check for game updates, or try a different ammunition/workshop. One troubleshooting tip: reinstalling recent patches or switching session types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.